Athena in classical Greek was pronounced as Athena. The long A with the medium pitch and the long A with the rising and falling pitch can be considered as alarm sounds. As they share acoustic features with distress sounds such as cries, screams, and moans. These types of sounds are common in ancient Greek, and they raise the focus and sense of urgency in the ancient Greek population. And with this underlying drive and focus, the ancient Greeks were able to develop the most advanced ancient civilization on which the Romans and later the Western modern civilization was based.